The impact of industrial pollution on the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes, comprising Lakes Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, are a critical freshwater resource for the United States and Canada. Industrial pollution has had a profound impact on these lakes, affecting their ecosystems, water quality, and the health of surrounding communities. Here's a look at how industrial pollution has influenced the Great Lakes. 1. Chemical contamination. Industrial activities have led to the discharge of hazardous chemicals into the Great Lakes. Persistent organic pollutants, POPs, such as PCBs, polychlorinated biphenyls, and dioxins have contaminated the lakes, posing risks to both aquatic life and human health. These chemicals accumulate in the food chain, impacting fish and wildlife and leading to advisories for fish consumption. 2. Nutrient pollution. Industries contribute to nutrient pollution through runoff containing fertilizers and wastewater. Excessive nutrients, particularly phosphorus and nitrogen, lead to eutrophication, a process where overgrowth of algae depletes oxygen in the water. This results in dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive and diminishes water quality. 3. Heavy metal contamination. Industrial processes release heavy metals such as mercury, lead, and cadmium into the Great Lakes. These metals accumulate in sediments and organisms, leading to long-term environmental and health issues. Mercury, for instance, can cause neurological problems in humans and animals. 4. Altered ecosystems. Pollution disrupts the natural balance of the Great Lakes ecosystems. Industrial waste can alter the habitat of native species, leading to declines in biodiversity. Invasive species introduced through ballast water or other means can further strain the ecosystem. 5. Health impacts. Communities around the Great Lakes face health risks due to industrial pollution. Contaminated fish and drinking water can lead to serious health issues, including cancer, reproductive problems, and developmental disorders. Long-term exposure to pollutants also affects the overall well-being of local populations. 6. Economic consequences. The economic impact of pollution is significant. Contaminated water affects industries reliant on the Great Lakes, such as fishing and tourism. Cleanup efforts and healthcare costs also place a financial burden on affected communities and governments. 7. Restoration and cleanup efforts. Efforts to address industrial pollution include government regulations, such as the Great Lakes Water Quality Agreement between the U.S. and Canada, which aims to reduce pollutants and restore water quality. Initiatives like the Environmental Protection Agency's Great Lakes Restoration Initiative focus on cleaning up contaminated sites and improving ecosystem health. 8. Public awareness and advocacy. Public awareness and advocacy play crucial roles in combating industrial pollution. Environmental organizations and local communities work to monitor pollution, advocate for stronger regulations, and promote sustainable practices to protect the Great Lakes. 9. Technological advancements. Technological advancements in pollution control and waste management are helping to mitigate industrial impacts. Innovations in treatment technologies and cleaner industrial processes contribute to reducing the discharge of pollutants into the lakes. 10. Collaborative efforts. Addressing industrial pollution in the Great Lakes requires collaboration between governments, industries, and communities. Joint efforts aim to enhance regulatory frameworks, improve pollution controls, and support conservation initiatives to ensure the long-term health of the Great Lakes. The impact of industrial pollution on the Great Lakes is a complex issue that requires ongoing attention and action. Through combined efforts and continued vigilance, progress can be made in restoring and preserving this vital freshwater resource.